Yo, what up, guys? It's the Cat Pack once again.
Yeah. I got a tattoo.
Okay, we're gonna be showing you guys how to make some s'mores.
And comment below if you like my tattoo. If it's like really grown up or something.
It's so grown up.
I made it with marker.
Chocolate. When did have chocolate?
Okay. Oh my gosh, I just stepped on your foot. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so we have this stuff.
Okay, so we're gonna need a tray.
And
I'll
I
give you guys a better view.
Don't mind me pulling the chair. It's just the chair noise.
Okay, so we got the s'mores stuff up right here. And so we have the milk chocolate that I got into.
People don't say syrup.
Christina, please get out of here. Mind my sister. Okay, so welcome to our cooking show. No, I'm just kidding. Don't pick that as
It's
okay.
kind of cooking.
And then
I have one. I made one cooking show video.
then we have some graham crackers. Yeah, that was really
Did you
cool.
ever watch the little girl cook the cake? And she messed
Yes,
up
I was the one that showed you that.
it.
And then the marshmallows. So, what you're first going to want to do is lay out some graham crackers. Because, like, that's just like a main part of, like,
I feel really pretty with this tattoo. I feel so much more awesomer. I feel awesomer.
your jar.
Yeah, I need just more on my arm and on my face.
Here, do you want to eat this if it fell off?
Yeah. I don't like graham crackers. You guys may be thinking I'm crazy, but I don't really like s'mores.
She doesn't like s'mores at all. Can you move back a little bit?
Because they're too marshmallowy. I don't like marshmallows.
Put it in half. And just put it on the tray. But you gotta put it this way.
I kind of
Flat
like
side.
marshmallows, but not how much like Alexa likes marshmallows.
Ava, did you wash your hands? No. Alright, you can't help Mike. You
I
have to
don't
wash
want
your
my
hands.
hands and my tattoo will come off.
So you're gonna put it on again. Alright, so I'm gonna make
Fine. I hope it's not
I'm
one.
gonna make a 9.
No, I can't.
I'm gonna make 9 s'mores. That'll be enough, right? Would 9 s'mores be enough, Ave?
There's not 9 people.
So everyone can have like 2 or 3, 2 or 1 s'mores if they want.
Minuseko arigato. The song I just did in front of Alexa, she's a really obsessed with.
It's very fun to say. Mimoseko arigato
And it's
kawaii.
very weird, and we like weird stuff. Like, we're like, when we fight, we're like,
Like
after we
cousins
fight, we're like,
Not like physical.
after we fight, we're like, why do we always fight?
We fight over
And
the
then we-
weirdest stuff. Okay, so this is how it works.
Like, once we fought over who's my mom's favorite, and it was Anthony's favorite, and their uncle's favorite, and it just went really wrong.
And that was like 2 minutes ago, so yeah. Like, yeah.
Minuseko arigato. It should write that. Minuseko arigato. Kawaii.
Okay, so you kind of can't see the s'mores, but that's basically what
And I
it is.
can't see me because she's in the way.
No more like because we have to sit down. But alright.
Ow!
Okay, and then you're just gonna take your chocolates because like chocolates is like
Oh my
good
god, I'll
stuff.
have some of that.
Oh, maybe if there's leftover, because like you never know. So it's gonna
Yeah,
be a
that
leftover.
will be leftover.
We had a problem here. Is 9 an even number?
Yeah, 9 is a number.
Is it an even number?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's not an even number. Well, these chocolate bars are melted.
I hope we have leftover.
We'll probably have. Well,
We're
at least
only gonna
wait,
eat
I need to
like
figure out
one
something.
shade or something.
Because you know we have a problem.
What?
Oh, this is like melted. I'm just gonna place it on top.
Is 9
Did you
an
wash your hands
even
before you made
number?
them?
Is 9 an even number?
No.
That was our problem.
How are you making these, Alexa?
I'm making them a somewhere.
No, then why do you have those 3 there then?
No.
6 is not gonna be enough.
Alexa, you put chocolate there, marshmallow there. Those two, that's once more. That's once more. That's once more. That's once more.
So then we'll take this one off. Does it really matter?
Yeah. I saw that face you made.
Yeah, I really don't care. Ah, sister problems.
We're sister.
Stop! Let go of me!
You took my whole chair.
I'm sorry.
This chair is for me. You mean a psycho?
Ow! Here.
Give me a different piece.
No, because we're not even gonna have enough of
I'm
it.
not having
I can't get this out, so I'm gonna put it up in the pack.
enough. We're keeping
That's the
that.
lie.
Life is
Can you
hard.
please stop pushing me?
Okay, where's your smiley face Super made on you? I gave her a tattoo, guys.
Should have. So tall.
She just doesn't want to show it. She's a scaredy cat.
Ow! Stop hitting me. It actually does hurt.
Me. You
This chocolate bar is like crazy.
want to smell it? It's really
We should have put these in the
squishy.
fridge.
Really good.
But no one got ankle. Ain't nobody got time for that. David, can you get the scissor?
Mima Psycho Arigato.
No, can you really get the scissor?
I don't know where they are.
Me neither. You think why I know where the scissors are?
Oh, Mima Psycho Arigato.
Get a knife.
Really?
Alright. What you think I am, Chuckster?
Really gonna risk your life with a knife?
I actually know how to use a knife,
Oh
and I just cut
my
myself.
god. Did you just hear me? Really gonna risk your life with a knife? That rhymes.
It sure does, Billy. Oh, look, I got it out.
Yeah, let me have that piece.
No, we're probably not even gonna have enough. She's not really crying, don't worry. For all them haters. Haters be like,
Just kidding.
don't drop it.
Oh my god, this is.
Isn't it like melted?
No.
I didn't stuff all this in your mouth.
I only like this a little bit.
Really?
I like Lindor more. I like fancy chocolate.
Salty chocolate?
Fancy.
I don't like chocolate. I just like
Too
chocolate.
melted.
Why are you throwing that? You should have gave it to me.
But should I?
I got them in called marshmallow. Ow, 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 ow. That hurts. Can you, Ava, can you please stop? That really is just... No!
That was rude. You stole my old chair, lady.
No, chocolate. Just have one, no. Okay, now I don't know how long to put this in for, but here's what it looks like.
It's like I'm
See.
a psycho.
4 of them have chocolate and 4 of them have marshmallows. So then when you're done, you can just fold the chocolate onto the marshmallows after you're done, like with the frosted oven. So we'll be right back when they're done. So bye.
Tell me